Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Seema's Educational World. Today we are going to learn English grammar, nouns and types of nouns. In English grammar we see parts of speech plays an important role in English language or English grammar. Today we will see noun and types of nouns. With the help of pictures, I will describe the nouns, its types and example. I am using here another very important method, innovative teaching method. With the help of, I will describe the types of noun and its example. This method is known as mind map. Okay, let us see nouns. What do you mean noun? Noun, it means a naming words. So simple definition. For example, proper noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, collective noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, singular noun, plural noun, compound noun, possessive noun, common noun, material noun. What is a noun? In short, noun it means it refers person, it refers places, it refers things, it refers animal. We'll see what do you mean noun and its definition. Yes, noun and its kinds. A definition of noun, a name that is given to a person, animal, place and thing is called a noun. Actually we see 12 types of nouns, but we see here 5 nouns. First one is proper noun, second common noun, third collective noun, 4 material noun, 5 abstract noun. These are the main type of nouns and the remaining 12 are the sub kinds of nouns. First we see proper noun. What do you mean proper noun? They are names of persons, places or things. For example, Rahul, Krishna, Mumbai, Pune, Ford, car, etc. Second example, we see common noun. They are names that can be applied to any one of the class of persons, places or things. For example, boy, girl, tree, book, town, country, river, etc. These are the common nouns examples. Next, collective noun. They are the names of group of persons of objective of a same kind considers as a single whole. For example, a crowd of people, a team of players, a herd of cattle, a flock of birds, etc. These are the examples of collective nouns. Next type of noun, material noun. They are names of materials and substances out of which things are made. For example, gold, silver, stone, wood, cotton, iron, etc. In this picture we see the woman is wearing jewelry which is made from gold, silver, and there is plate this made with the help of silver. In the next picture we see the bullock cart which is made with the help of iron and wood. Abstract noun. They are names of things we cannot see or touch. For example, goodness, kindness of mother and son, honesty, wisdom, bravery, beauty of the nature. We see here in this picture cloud is there in the sky. Death, childhood. We see children are so innocent, laughter of the baby. In this picture we see another picture is there. We see color combination, beauty of the color pink or black, its combination, etc. Now we will see innovative teaching method, mind map. It's very easy to remember the types of nouns with the help of this mind map. We'll see the types of nouns with the help of mind map. This is an innovative method. Right now we will see the compound nouns and its example. In compound noun we see sunrise, sunset, bedroom, haircut, hairpin, popcorn, football, baseball. These are the examples of compound noun. Next example of countable noun. Tomatoes, cities, boys, girls, buses, rooms. These are countable. We can count it. These are the example of countable nouns. Next we'll see concrete noun examples. Apple, money, shirt, car, chair, bottle, dog, moon. These are the example of concrete noun. Next example we see collective nouns. In collective nouns there are team, flock, bunch, stock, team, family, group. These examples of collective nouns. Next plural noun. In plural noun we see women, men, children, tooth, days, ships, foxes, boxes, dishes, buses, benches. These are the example of plural noun. In a singular noun, we see the example of singular nouns: woman, man, child, teeth, dish, box, bench, day, fox. Next, we see uncountable noun. They are rice, grass, rain, music, blood, air, milk. These are the examples of uncountable nouns. Next, abstract noun. In abstract noun, we see love, humor, fear, time, bravery, happy, truth, beauty, courage. These are the example of abstract nouns. Next type of example we see proper noun. In proper noun we see the examples: Seema, India, the gateway of India; Reena, Leena, Ram, Sham, Pune, Mumbai; Rahul, Ganesh. These are the examples of proper nouns. In this way we learn types of nouns, or another words we call kinds of nouns, and its example. It's very easy method to learn the types of nouns. Thank you once again all of you.